In this video, I'll show you how to set up Safeguard in Telegram. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch everything step by step in this video. So open up your Telegram. What you need to do now, make sure you've created a group and make sure you've created a channel. Now go to your group. So this is our group. So click on the add members option. So I'm going to click on mine now. So once you have tapped on the add members, you're going to be able to see the Safeguard option. So the first option, I'm going to just select it now. So I've just added Safeguard to our group. So I'm going to click on this more option. You're going to click on edit. You're going to click on administrators. So come on here, add up Safeguard as your admin. So I'm going to click on done. So once you are done inside the group, what you need to do now, I'm going to go back. You're going to come on here, type in setup. I'm going to click on it. You're going to click on create portal. You're going to tap on start. You're going to click on select a group. You're going to tap test launch. You're going to tap send. You're going to tap select a channel. You're going to tap test launch. You're going to add send. Once you're done, you're going to be able to see this create portal option. So tap on it. So we have successfully created our portal here on our channel. So if I go back now, you can see this is our portal here on Telegram. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share this video. I'll see you on the very next one.